Everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. Right, hope you are all doing JEE preparation well. Of course, we are having ample of time to revise the things and all. Right, at the same time, you see some students are going for board exams and the repeaters who are doing, I can say it is a golden time for you to do the preparation in the utmost better manner. Right, dear students. Before that, in this particular class, I am going to take up one subtopic from matrices, which is a very important and almost damn sure question in JEE Main. Even in JEE Advanced also you can expect question from this particular topic. So I can say, you see, out of the 30 topics that we have, if we want to pick up certain subtopics which are very small in size and guarantee question, first of the such one is, I can say, the system of equations related subtopic from the chapter matrices. And of course, we can also see some more such topics, maybe statistics and I can say probability kind of, and mathematical reasoning, all these. And in this class, let us take on our discussion to, I can say, simultaneous system of equations from the topic matrices. I think you know, friends, from matrices, vectors 3D is a wonderful combination for JEE Main to score the best, my dear students. Right, anyhow, here in this topic, in the coming 50-60 minutes, if you just follow my class, undoubtedly you are going to score 4 marks guarantee in JEE Main, right. Even the same is going to be reflected in advance also, right, dear students. So this is my photo, right, fine. Matrices, system of simultaneous equations, method of solving. Right, friends. Before that, this is our channel Infinity Learn JEE. Please subscribe and encourage us so that we can give wonderful quality classes and quantum of classes, everything you can enjoy here. Right, dear students. So now itself you please subscribe to our channel. And next one, friends, yeah, this is BS. The title is, as I told you, system of simultaneous linear equations. Okay, right. This is, even though this is a small subtopic, what you need to know to enter the topic is, you must know what is rank of a matrix, how to find rank of a matrix. Friends, rank of a matrix in the sense, you see, when, yeah, dear friends, rank can be obtained for any matrix. First of all, let me take a matrix, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the matrix. Say its order is 2 by 3. So let me recall the definition of rank. The rank is going to be the order of non-zero determinant, which is the highest kind of. That means rank of a matrix is the highest order of non-zero determinant. For example, in this 2 by 3 matrix, you can take sub matrices of square matrices, you can take 2 by 2 only. So you cannot take 3 by 3. So the rank can be maximum 2 or 1 here. So you just check any determinant of 2 by 2. See here, determinant is 5 minus 8, which is minus 3, which is not equal to 0. So I can say the rank of this matrix is 2 because I can find a 2 by 2 submatrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. It is bit confusing to calculate in this way. This is why with the help of row operations, we try to find the rank of the matrix. So what we do here is, dear friends, yeah, let me take out these things. Row operations, like in determinants, here also we apply row operations. See, what are the operations that we can apply here? You see, so Ri can be interchanged with Rj. Any two rows can be interchanged. You no need to write minus here, because you see, even though you interchange any two rows, rank will not be changed. That is result number 1. Next, a row can be written as some real number into the same row. So, any row can be multiplied with a number, that is number 2. Number 3 is, dear students, suppose Ri can be changed as Ri plus some number k into Rj. Yes. So, these are the 3 admissible operations here in this particular kind of finding the range. Now, with the help of these, we try to convert the matrix in row echelon form. So, with the help of this, we can easily comment the rank. For example, friends, you see here we have a matrix, say matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. This is the matrix of order, I can say, yeah, 3 by 4 is the order of this matrix. Now, what I am going to do is, you see, I am going to write this matrix in echelon form. How? With the help of first element, you try to make these two elements 0. First point. You see, friends, let me write here the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 2. This is the matrix given, right? Now, you take this particular element. What I am going to do is R2 I change as R2 minus 2 times R1, so that this element will become 0. I change R3 as R3 minus R1. That's what I am going to do, friends. With the help of this element, I am going to make these two 0. So that this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, double and subtract 0, double and subtract 0, double and subtract 0, double and subtract 0, right. The next here 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, here also 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, you can, you see, I have seen that number of zeros in the bottom row must be greater. So, you just interchange R2 and R3, there will be no change in the rank. So, we can say they are equivalent matrices 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This format is called, friends, row echelon form. That means these elements are zeros. Now, you just see number of non-zero rows. How many non-zero rows are there? You see, this is completely 0. There are 2 rows which are non-zero. I can say rank of this matrix is 2. Rank of this matrix is 2. That's all, dear students. So, for a given matrix, excuse me, for a given matrix, we can convert the matrix in row echelon form by applying the operations, row operations. Accordingly, observe the number of non-zero rows, then you can comment the rank of the matrix. I think it is familiar for all the students, right? Then next, my dear students, you see this question, the rank of this matrix is something he has given based on A. We need to choose the option. How to do this? You just copy this matrix. What is given? -1, 2, 5, 2, -4, A minus 4, 1, minus 2 a plus 1. Now, so for easiness, what I do is I interchange 1 and 3, so that you see 1 comes here, which is more comfortable for me to do. So you just interchange first R1 by R3. So you no need to change right minus here because it is not determinant. Please do remember. I can say that this is 1 minus 2 a plus 1, 2 minus 4 a minus 4, minus 1, 2, 5. Now what you are going to do, with the help of this element, you make these two 0. How to do, friends? So now what I am going to do is R2 I change as R2 minus 2 R1. Is this okay, dear students? R2 minus 2 R1. Yes. R3 you can simply write R3 plus R1 so that it becomes 0. So you just do, dear students, this becomes 1 minus 2 a plus 1. Next, double and subtract 0, double and subtract 0. Here double and subtract means minus 4 becomes minus 6, a minus 2a is minus a, right? Yeah. So because it is a plus 1, this becomes minus 6 minus a. Here add these two, 0, 0, this is going to be a plus 6, my dear friends. So we got luckily zeros here itself. Now you try to comment the rank of the matrix. It is clearly in echelon form. Now go to the options. If A is equal to 6, what happens? This is minus 12, this is 12, so I can say rank is 3, correct? Sorry. If A is 6, undoubtedly there are 3 non-zero rows, so I can say rank is equal to 3. If A is minus 6, friends, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, rank is 1, that is also correct. Right? If A is equal to 2, you see both are non-zero, I can say rank is 3, this is also correct. If A is minus 6, rank is see 2 is wrong, rank is 2 is wrong, this is the only wrong option. This is certain information, friends. So my point is, you must know how to find the rank of the given matrix. How, friends? You see, this is a matrix given. Now with the help of the first element you make these two 0, then with the help of this element I have to make 0, but automatically it has become 0, so I can easily comment the rank of the given matrix, friends. Okay. Next, fine. This is the prerequisite point to enter the main topic. So simultaneous system of linear equations, what does it mean? Here you will be given a system of 3 equations, 3 linear equations in 3 variables, maybe like you see a1x plus a2y plus a3z is equal to a4, one equation. Say b1x plus b2y plus b3z is equal to b4, c1x plus c2y plus c3z is equal to c4. Suppose these are 3 simultaneous equations in 3 variables. So we can write this equation in matrix format, friends, like you say a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, a 3 by 3 matrix multiplied by the column matrix x, y, z gives this constant matrix a4, b4, c4. The same system of linear equations in 3 variables can be written in matrix format in this way, my dear friends. Fine. So we can write it as Ax is equal to B. So, where A is called coefficient matrix, X is called variable matrix and B is called constant matrix. Let me repeat, A is called coefficient matrix, X is variable matrix, B is called constant matrix. Now, friends, the main point is when you take the system of equations Ax is equal to B, here we call it as simultaneous because our x, y, z should be those three numbers which satisfy all the three equations simultaneously. Yes, fine. Here friends, if this constant matrix B is other than a zero matrix, we call it as system of non-homogeneous differential equations. Non-homogeneous system of equations. Whereas if B is 0, you see, suppose these are all the three entries are 0, the system of equations, each equation is a homogeneous equation of degree 1. Yes, we call it as homogeneous simultaneous equations. So friends, the problem that is to be given here can be categorized into two parts. One is system of simultaneous equations, non-homogeneous or homogeneous. So once the problem is given, first you need to decide whether the given equation is homogeneous or not, non-homogeneous or not. Then you can change the pattern of or the algorithm that you need to follow to solve the equation. Suppose friends, you are given the system of equations Ax is equal to B, which is non-homogeneous, suppose. Now the point is, you just follow this algorithm. You just consider the augmented matrix A by B. Yes. Now after this, in this augmented matrix A by B, you just try to find, by converting in echelon form, find rank of A and rank of the matrix A by B. You know how to find rank. So if these two are equal and equal to number of equations come variables 3, we say that the system will have unique solution. Whereas friends, if rank of A is equal to rank of A by B, but not 3, less than 3, maybe 2 or 1, that means solution is possible, but it is not unique. There will be infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many triplets XYZs are possible which satisfy all the three equations simultaneously. Friends, suppose rank of A is different from rank of A by B. We can say that it has no solution. No solution. Yes. This is very important algorithm, friends. If you just know this, it is very easy to solve the equations. You see friends, what you need to do is, if you are given a non-homogeneous system of equations, just try to find rank of A, rank of A by B. That means first you consider the augmented matrix, then try to find the rank. If rank of A is equal to rank of A by B is equal to 3, yes, it will have unique solution. If rank of A is equal to rank of A by B but less than 3, infinitely many solutions. Whereas rank of A not equal to rank of A by B, so no solution. Friends, these two cases are called, we say that the system is consistent. Consistent means you can feel like possible, some solution is possible. This case is called inconsistent. inconsistent, means not possible. That is the thing. With this you can enter the problems related to non-homogeneous system of equations, my dear friends. Yeah, you see this question, the system of equations, you see first equation, second equation, third equation is given. He is asking whether to check the system is consistent or inconsistent or has unique solution, cannot be determined. So what you need to do is, dear students, consider the augmented matrix. So while writing the augmented matrix, I needn't take this equation as the first. I can take any of the equation as first equation. I try to prefer that equation first whose x coefficient is 1. Here x coefficient is 2, here x is not there, here 6. Excuse me. So friends, anyhow x coefficient 1 is not there, so let us go in the order. You just maintain constant right side, try to consider the augmented matrix directly. Friends, x coefficient 2, y 6, z 0, constant right side of equal to minus 11. This is the first equation. Second, x 0, y 6, z minus 18, constant is minus 1, right? And whereas the third one, x 6, y 20, z is minus 6 and constant is minus 3. This is the augmented matrix A by B, my dear friends. Whenever you are given a system of non-homogeneous equations, you just take A by B, the augmented matrix. Now dear friends, our next step will be, with the help of this element, make these two 0. You see, already this is 0, you just make the third one 0. How to change, friends? I change R3 as R3 minus 3R1. Triple and subtract. You are going to get like 2, 6, 0 minus 11, 0, 6 minus 18 minus 1, and triple and subtract 0. This is 2, dear friends. This is minus 6 and this is going to be 33 minus 3 is 30. This is the matrix, friends. Now the next step would be, with the help of this element you make this is 0. So better you multiply the third row with 3, then you can subtract. So let me write 2, 6, 0 minus 11, 0, 6 minus 18 minus 1, multiply this with 3, so that 6 minus 18, 90. Now friends, what you can do is, R3 you write as R3 minus R2. You use only R2 to change this, so that I can say that, you see, R3 minus R2 you can do, okay, right? Next, yeah, what it is going to become, you can see here 2, 6, 0 minus 11 and 0, 6 minus 18 minus 1, yes, 0, 0, 0, 91. So here we got 3 zeros, dear friends. Now you just try to comment rank of A. You see friends, rank of A means only, you see these 3 by 3 part. Rank of A is 2, my dear friends. Whereas rank of A by B, total matrix, which is 3. Number of non-zero rows, friends. You see, rank of A is 2, whereas rank of A by B is going to be 3. Since these two are different, by our previous algorithm, if rank of A and rank of A by B are different, I can say that the system is having no solution. So that means inconsistent is okay, because consistent, unique solution, cannot be determined are the wrong options. Okay, dear friends. Next, so this is the first basic model here. So he will ask us to check what kind of solution they are going to have. The next, friends, in the same way, the same kind of question, dear friends, here he will ask us to find some unknown is inserted here, and he will ask us Yeah, you see the value of A for which these three equations fail to have unique solution. This is the question. These three equations fail to have unique solution. How to do this? You see friends, yeah, there are three equations. You see, of these, this equation has x coefficient 1, so I will take, yeah, this equation first. So friends, you just consider the augmented matrix. Yeah, so this is 1, 2, minus A minus 1, right? In the same way, here second one I take 2, 1, 1, 2. Third one 3 minus 1 A 1. This is the augmented matrix A by B, dear friends. So 1, 2 minus A minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, like this, right, dear students. Yeah. Now first step, with the help of this element you try to make these two 0, dear students. You see what happens? What operation should I apply? 1, 2 minus A minus 1. Yeah, it's very clear. R2, let me write here for your convenience, R2 as R2 minus 2R1. Am I correct? So you just do double and subtract 0. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 1 plus 2A, it is going to be, this is 2 plus 2 will become 4. And simultaneously I want to change R3 even. R3 I change as R3 minus 3R1, so that it becomes 0. Right, chalo? This is 0. 6, no, this becomes minus 7. This become, I have multiplied 3, which is 4A. Here this becomes 4. Yes. We are clear here. The next step is going to be, with the help of this element you want to make this is 0. This is minus 3, this is 7. What we can do is multiply this row with 7, multiply this row with 3, then you just subtract. So friends, you can write this matrix as 1, 2 minus A minus 1 and 0 minus 21. This is, I am multiplying with 7, so 7 plus 14A, here it is going to be 28. The next friends, here you multiply with, I can say minus 3, so 0, 21 minus 12A minus 12. Right friends, in this stage simple operation, you add R3 with R2, so that this is going to be 1, 2 minus A minus 1, 0 minus 21, this is 7 plus 14A, this is going to be 28. The next friends, 0, 0, this is going to be 7 plus 2A, friends, this is going to be 16. Fine. This is the matrix friends. Rank of A by B can be obtained based on the value of A. He said that, friends, if 7 plus 2A value is not equal to 0, rank of A is 3, rank of A by B is also 3. So I can say it will have unique solution. But he is asking us the value of A for which it failed to have unique solution. It must fail to have unique solution. So dear friends, this must be 0. 7 plus 2A must be 0. So A must be minus 7 by 2. Yes, if A value is minus 7 by 2, rank of A will become 2, rank of A by B will become 3. So I can say it will have no solution. So this is the second kind of question. You see, the first question what we have discussed here is a straight ahead question. Second one is, he will involve some unknown and he will ask us to find the value of that unknown provided some data will be given like unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. Right, dear students. You see this question even, you see the system of equations, 3 equations are given in which lambda and k are given. This system is inconsistent if k lambda values he is asking about. So, the same kind of procedure you can apply. Let us try to do this problem little faster. Luckily, all the x coefficients are 1. You see, in 2 or 3 steps we can close the problem. First, consider the augmented matrix, friends. First equation 1, 1, 1, 6, right? Second equation 1, 2, 3, 10. Third equation 1, 2, lambda k. This is the augmented matrix, friends. Now, first step, with the help of this one, make these two 0, right? I am applying operations. First row I do not disturb. Second row R2 minus R1, you see 0, 1, 2, 4. Then R3 minus R1, 0, 1, lambda minus 1, k minus 6. That is good. The next step, with the help of this element, you have to make this is 0, right? So, first row not going to be disturbed, second row I am not going to disturb, third row R3 minus R2 you do 0, 0, lambda minus 3, k minus 10. Now, the problem is almost ready, the solution is ready. Rank of A is dependent on lambda value, rank of A by B also. Friends, if lambda not equal to 3, rank of A as well as rank of A by B independent of k value is 3, the system will have unique solution. But he is saying it is inconsistent. No solution means lambda must be 3, here 0 should come, k should not be 10. Totally rank of A by B will become 3. You see, if lambda is 3, rank of A is 0, k not equal to 10, rank of A by B will be 3. So, they are different, no solution comes. So, lambda must be 3 and k must be k other than 10. You see, friend, this kind of questions generally can be answered in many ways. We have matrix inversion method, Cramer's method, many methods. Of all the methods, rank method is the best method where you can answer very easily. Right, friends? This question I am not going to answer, just I have written to show you the model. The system of equations 1, 2, 3 has infinite number of solutions for what value of A. You just consider the augmented matrix A by B and convert into echelon form. Infinitely many solution means rank of A is equal to rank of A by B, but not 3, either 2 or 1. That is all. Next, friends, you see this question, sometimes this kind of questions are also given just in 2 variables. You see, he has given 2 equations here in only 2 variables. You see, k plus 1 into x plus 8y is equal to 4k and kx plus k plus 3 into y is equal to 3k minus 1. 2 equations in 2 variables. This can be treated like system of equations, same method, or else you can also treat like lines also. You see, friend, 2 lines in a plane, they can be either parallel lines, intersecting lines, or parallel lines, or coincident lines, right? So, in case of this, suppose the 2 equations are a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So, you know, friends, in this case the system will have unique solution when they intersect. In this case, a1 by a2 will be different from b1 by b2, right. Now, in the second case, strictly parallel in the sense you will get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to C1 by C2. In this case, there will be no solution, no common point. When they coincide, dear friends, that means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and also equal to C1 by C2, friends. This kind of questions are also being given, so this point also you must remember, friends. Right. So this is unique solution case, this is no solution case, this is infinitely many solution case. Here you needn't go with rank and all these things. Now friends, he said this system has no solution in the sense you can do like, you can do like, you see, no solution means they must be strictly different parallel lines. So what to do, friends? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2 logic you apply, dear friends, you are going to get the answer. You see, A1 by A2 means k plus 1 by k is equal to 8 by k plus 3, but this value shouldn't be 4k by 3k minus 1. This is the point, friends. Now you can do, here you just equate these two, k square plus 4k plus 3 is equal to 8k. So k square minus 4k plus 3 equal to 0. So k value is going to be 1 or 3. But friends, if you put k is equal to 1, this is 2 by 1, this is also 2 by 1, but that is going to be, you see, 2 by 1, k 2 by 1, this is because 8 by 4, here 8 by, I can say k is equal to 1 means 4 by 2, which is also 2 by 1. Yes. So in this case, k is equal to 1 case, you are going to get equality. So that will not work out. So you want k value to be 3. He is asking the number of values of k. That is also important, friends. Most of the students generally deceived by that kind of questioning. He didn't ask the value of 3, value of k. He asked the number of values of k. Please read the question carefully. The answer is going to be k is equal to 3. So only one value is possible for k. Right, dear students. Next, the next model, coming to homogeneous system of equations. Friends, if you are given a system of equations like Ax is equal to 0, that means equations may be like x plus y plus z is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 0, something like. You see, when constant part is 0, undoubtedly x0, y0, z0 satisfies the equation. That means this system will have at least one solution by name 0, 0, 0, which is called the trivial solution, my dear friends. I think you are getting my point, my dear friends. You see, JEE preparation, if you know the problems and models and all, you need to arrange the problems in a sequential order. When you have an algorithm related to solving a problem, you will have better clarity to attempt the problem also. Many students will be asking me, sir, how to increase the speed and how to get the ideas in the exam. They solve n number of problems. The only point what they miss is, you see, they don't arrange the problems what they have solved in a logical order in their mind. That is the thing what you have to do. You see, we are giving an algorithm, okay, rank, then system of equations, models, non-homogeneous, in this direct question, finding unknown kind of problems, 2 variables problems, then homogeneous, 1 or 2 models. Like that you must have algorithm. Then when the mind mapping is done for the entire subtopic or topic, it is very easy to identify the question to which model the given question belongs to, and you can decide. You see, it is also very, very important in exam like JEE whether the question can be attempted by you or not, can be answerable or not, because you see, suppose you have spent 2 minutes time, then you have identified that it is difficult to answer, then 2 minutes time is gone. So if you have clarity of all the modals, then you can either leave the question or you can pick up and try either in the first round or second round. So this is very important to have the clarity of the topic, all the modals in a sequential order, my dear friends, right. Hope you are able to follow me, right. Coming to this point, you see homogeneous system of equations, okay, always have one solution. So here there is no question of inconsistency, no solution is not possible. Here the only thing is the system will have either unique solution or infinite solutions, only two cases. So how to break the tie, how to find, here also we can go through, friends, rank method. Rather, friends, the best thing is you just find det A. If determinant of A not equal to 0, it is unique solution, friends. If determinant of A is 0, they will have infinitely many solutions, my dear friends. If det A not equal to 0, det A is equal to 0, okay. That is one point. At the same time, my dear friends, if here the question will be, we say that in this case the system has non-trivial solution. That means here the system will have only trivial solution x0, y0, z0. Other than that you cannot find a triad satisfying this. Here apart from that other solutions were also possible. So here the most important phrase, friends, if a homogeneous system of equations has a non-trivial solution, if you see that phrase in the question, immediately come to the conclusion that det A is equal to 0. Let me repeat, if a homogeneous system of equations has non-trivial solutions, implies det A is equal to 0. Clear? Right. Now see this question, friends. You see x, y, z not all 0 and the three equations 1, 2, 3 are consistent, then the relation among A, B, C is. Friends, if the three equations are consistent, means solution is possible. Of course, homogeneous system of equations are always consistent. X, Y, Z not all 0 means other than 0, 0 there is some solution. That means it is going to have non-trivial solutions. So conclusion is det A is equal to 0. Det A means, friends, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient minus c, z coefficient minus b. Here x coefficient you can say minus c, y coefficient 1, z coefficient is minus a. In the third equation x coefficient is minus a, y coefficient, x coefficient is minus b, y coefficient is minus a, z coefficient is 1. So you just apply this determinant is equal to 0. That is all, dear friends. With this you just expand a 3 by 3 determinant, you will get option C, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc is equal to 1. That is all, my dear friends. Yes. Yeah, in the same way, here you see the number of values of k for which the linear equations possesses non-zero solutions. Okay. Here the equations given are, you see, homogeneous. So this possesses a non-zero solution. Non-zero solution means other than 0, 0, non-trivial solutions are there. So you just take the determinant, that is 4k2, k41, third equation 2, 2, 1. You just apply this det is equal to 0, you will get number of values of k. So if we expand, we may get quadratic. There is a chance that both the roots are same. So this is why by just observing the determinant, don't come to the conclusion that there will be two roots. Just try to expand 4 into 4 minus 2, 2 minus k into, this is, yeah, k minus 2 plus 2 into, you can say 2k minus 8, 2k minus 8 is equal to 0. This is 8 minus k square plus 2k plus 4k minus 16. Am I correct? Minus 16 equal to 0. Try to solve this equation, friends. K square, this is going to be minus 6k. So this is plus 8 is equal to 0. K will have two values, 2 comma 4. Yes, I can say there are two distinct possible values are there for k. Without solving, please don't conclude. Sometimes you may get both the roots same. You may get imaginary roots. He may ask number of different real values of k. So be careful with it, because the question is easy. Such question we shouldn't miss in the exam. Do bit carefully, read the question carefully, answer carefully. Simple, friends. Homogeneous system of equations have a non-zero solution means that A is equal to 0 is one of the most important points of the topic. Fine, friends. You see this question, you see 2020, it is given the values of lambda and mu for which the system of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. You see, non-homogeneous system of equations. You see, the question is also very easy. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 lambda 2, 5 mu. It is very easy to convert into echelon form. You can answer this question. This is JEE Main 2020 September morning shift. The same day, maybe in the second shift, you see the sum of distinct values of lambda for which the system of equations has non-zero solutions. Yes, here, friends, most of the student, I know many students didn't attempt the question properly because the sum of distinct values of lambda, many students didn't read this question properly. So clearly we know that the det must be equal to 0. If we just apply the determinant lambda minus 1, 3 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda, this is lambda minus 1, 4 lambda minus 2, lambda plus 3, this is 2, 3 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda minus 3, this must be 0. Sorry, here if we expand we may get cubic equation. Here the point is, friends, don't try to expand because it will be lengthy. So try to simplify if possible. If you subtract R2, R1 minus R2, this becomes 0. This becomes, you see, minus lambda plus 3, 3 minus lambda, this becomes lambda minus 3. So lambda minus 1, 4 lambda minus 2, lambda plus 3, 2, 3 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. At this stage you can take lambda minus 3 common, so lambda is equal to 3 is a solution. If you expand directly you will get a cubic equation, again it is a time taking to solve it. So lambda is equal to 3. In this stage you can further simplify, or if you could expand you will get other two roots to be 0 comma 3. These are the three roots. If you don't read, suppose if you don't read this word distinct values, if you want sum of values of lambda, you no need to solve the equation. In the cubic equation itself you can say sum of the roots minus b by a. So some students have also answered that, unfortunately. So because sum of the roots is going to be 6, no, this is the numerical answer type question, they kept 6 instead of 4. Of course negative marks are not there at that time. This year you have negative marking for integer answer type questions, right? Yeah, here I can say, my dear friends, he said sum of distinct values of lambda. Distinct values are only 0 and 3, the sum is going to be 3. You see, friends, please read the question carefully. My sincere request, my dear friends, because a known question, easy question, you will be spending 2 to 3 minutes for this. If you don't read the question properly, there is a high chance to lose marks in this. Be careful, dear students. So, in a nutshell, so almost I have interacted 50-55 minutes. Undoubtedly, if you really understand the thing what I have given, if you practice the relevant problems, you are going to get damn sure 4 marks in any JEE mains paper, even in advance also. What are the important points that I have covered is point number 1, how to find the rank of a given matrix with the help of, you see, operations, row operations, and how to convert this into echelon form and comment the rank. Second point, system of equations problem will be of 2 kinds. One is non-homogeneous equation, the other is homogeneous equation. In non-homogeneous case, we have seen the problems almost same. Here you need to remember a small algorithm. You consider augmented matrix A by B, find rank of A, rank of A by B. Both are equal and equal to 3, unique solution. Both are equal but less than 3, infinitely many solution. Both are not equal, no solution. Unique solution or infinitely many solution case is called consistent. No solution case is called inconsistent, right? Whereas we have seen various models, sometimes in 2 by 2 matrices, I mean 2 equations and 2 variables are also given. Next, in homogeneous, dear friends, it is very easy to find whether det A is 0 or not equal to 0. If det A is 0, infinitely many solution, that means that system has non-trivial solution. The most important highlight point of this particular topic, det A not equal to 0, the system will have unique solution. Right, dear students? So, Infinity Learn is the place where you can learn the topics in detail. I think in this limited time I could brief this topic, I could bring all the important models to your preparation level. So please practice the relevant problems, and you can log on to Infinity Learn platform, so you can join our courses. We are also having crash courses. Join with my code Basheer40 and you can enjoy the classes. Dear students, thank you. See you in the next class. All the best. Subscribe to Infinity Learn. Bye.